Hi everyone, today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020, and today's ELA objective is students will be able to identify the story elements in a fictional story by using a graphic organizer. So your online Google assignment today will be a graphic organizer that you're filling out with certain information. And I'll show you what the different story elements are. Story elements. Story elements in a fictional story include characters, which are the people or creatures in a story, movie, or play. So if I'm thinking about Charlotte's Web, I know Charlotte is a character, Fern is a character, Wilbur is a character, Templeton. So they don't always have to be people, they can be animals or creatures. The setting is the time and place in which something happens. So again, reflecting and thinking about Charlotte's Web, the setting could be in a barnyard. The problem is a question or situation that is difficult to deal with. So a major problem in Charlotte's Web is Wilbur is supposed to be killed in the winter time. So they needed to come together and figure out a solution to that problem. And that's the final story element, which is solution, the way to fix a problem. And we know what Charlotte's been doing, which is creating words in her web. So those are just some examples of story elements from a book we've all read before. Model. I'll do a teacher model for the dictionary kid. Caden knew how to spell big words, and he knew what the words meant. Okay, so right away I know that a character, Caden, was introduced to us. When he took the vocabulary test in class last week, he was the first kid in the class to finish. He turned it in quickly and didn't check his work. So the setting must be in school, in his classroom. When the teacher told him his grade, Caden's face turned bright red. He had failed. She told him that he could retake it. So the problem in our story must be that he failed his test. Caden took his time and checked his work. When the teacher gave him his grade, it was a perfect score, just like he wanted. So Caden was able to find a solution to his problem by taking his time and checking his work instead of just being the first one to hand in a test. And I think that's something that you can kind of learn in real life, to always take your time and double check your work, just like you all do in class every day. And, this is kind of big. The characters are Caden and his teacher. The setting is in school. The problem Caden faces is that he failed his spelling test because he didn't check his work. And then he had to come up with a solution to that problem, which is that Caden retook. Caden had to retake his test and by checking his work, and then he got a perfect score. So although it didn't work in the beginning for him because he rushed and he didn't check his work, his teacher allowed him to redo the assignment, which was awesome. Your independent work today is to read the story The Magic Glasses on ReadWorks and answer only questions 1 to 5. Okay, so that's the next story in your packet. Everyone has their packets. You'll read The Magic Glasses slowly and carefully and then answer 5 questions. When you're done with that, you will go on Google Classroom to submit the story elements map, and it'll look just like this one. So you're going to find the characters in the magic glasses, the setting of the magic glasses, the problem of the magic glasses, and the solution. All right, I hope everyone has a great Tuesday.